Hello and welcome to Ideas and Trends. Today we are going to discuss the outdoor sitting or patio decoration. Outdoor sitting refers to creating comfortable, aesthetically pleasing and functional spaces outside the home where individuals can relax, dine, entertain or enjoy nature. These spaces can be in backyards, patios, decks, gardens or even balconies. Outdoor sitting areas are designed to extend the living space of a home, offering a retreat of homeowners and guests. They can range from simple setup with a few chairs and a table to elaborate designs, featuring outdoor kitchens, fire pits, lounges, and pergolas. The primary goal is to create an inviting atmosphere that blends the comfort of indoor living with the beauty and tranquility of the outdoor. But how to decorate a backyard? Decorating a backyard involves several steps to transform it into an inviting outdoor oasis. Here is comprehensive guide. Number 1. Plan the layout. Assess the space, determine the size and shape of your backyard, consider the natural features like trees, slopes and existing structures, define zones, decide on different areas for activities such as dining, lounging, playing or gardening. Number 2. Choose the right furniture. Dining area. Opt for a durable dining set that withstand weather conditions. Materials like teak, wrought iron or all-weather wicker are excellent choices. Lounge area. Add comfortable seatings like sofas, lounge chairs and hammocks. Ensure the furniture is weather resistant and includes cozy cushions and throws. Number 3. Incorporate greenery. Plants and flowers. Use a mix of perennials, annuals, shrubs and trees to add color, texture and privacy. Consider creating flower beds, herbs gardens or vertical gardens. Potted plants. Place potted plants on patios, decks and along pathways to enhance the greenery. Number 4. Lighting. Ambient lighting. Use string lights, lanterns and fairy lights to create a warm and inviting ambience. Task lighting. Install spotlights or solar lights to illuminate pathways, tap and specific areas like the dining or cooking zone. Accent lighting. Highlight trees, sculptures or water features with accent lights to add depth and drama. Number 5. Add functional features. Fire pit or fireplace. A fire pit or outdoor fireplace can serve as a focal point and provide warmth during cooler evenings. Outdoor kitchen. If you enjoy cooking and entertaining outdoors, consider adding a grill, sinks and countertop space. Water features. Incorporate elements like fountains, ponds or waterfalls to create a soothing atmosphere. Number 6. Accessorize textile. Use outdoor rugs, cushions and pillows to add color and comfort. Decorative elements. Incorporate gardens, statues, bird baths, wind chimes and other decorative items to personalize the space. Number 7. Consider shelter. Pergolas and gaze walls. These structures provide shade and can be adorned with climbing plants and curtains for added privacy. Umbrellas and awnings. Portable umbrellas or retractable awnings offer flexibility and protection from the sun and rain. Patio decoration ideas. Patio decorations can transform a simple outdoor space into a stylish and functional area. Here are some creative ideas. Number 1. Create a cozy nook. Furniture. Use a mixed seating options like benches, chairs and love seats. Arrange them around a central point like a fire pit or coffee table. Add cushions, throws and outdoor rugs to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Number 2. Outdoor dining area. Choose a table and chair that fit the space. Consider materials that are durable and weather resistant. Use stylish placements, tablecloths and dishware. Add candles or lantern for a cozy dining experience. Number 3. Garden oasis. Surround the patio with potted plants, hanging baskets and vertical gardens. Use a variety of plants to create a lush green environment. Add a small fountain or water feature to enhance the tranquility of the space. Number 4. Entertainment zone. Provide sample seating with sofas, loungers and floor cushions. Install an outdoor TV or projector for movie nights. Add speakers for music. Number 5. Lighting. String lights, fairy lights, and lanterns can create a magical ambience. Ensure pathways and steps are well lit with solar or LED lights. Use candle lanterns and table lamps to add a decorative touch. Number 6. Seasonal decor. Bright colors, tropical plants, and lightweight fabrics. Warm tones, cozy blankets, and pumpkins. Falls. Winter, evergreen plants, fairy lights, and warm blankets. Spring, pastel colors, fresh flowers, and light fabrics. Now, you are thinking that why it's important to decorate this part of the home. Decorating outdoor spaces is essential for several reasons. Number 1. Extended living space. Outdoor sitting areas effectively expand the living space of a home, providing additional areas for relaxation, dining, and entertainment. These spaces can be used for a variety of activities, from hosting parties to enjoying quiet time alone. Number 2. Enhances aesthetic. A well-decorated backyard or patio enhances the overall look of your property. It creates a pleasant and inviting environment that you and your guests can enjoy. Decorating allows you to express your personal style and creativity, making the space truly your own. Number 3. Improves quality of life. Spending time outdoors is known to reduce stress, improve mood, and enhance overall mental well-being. Being outside encourages physical activity, whether it's gardening, playing, and simply moving around. Number 4. Increase property value. A beautifully decorated outdoor space can significantly boost the curb appeal of your home, making it more attractive to potential buyers. High-quality outdoor improvements can add value to your property, providing a good return on investment. Number 5. Social benefits. An inviting outdoor area is perfect for entertaining guests, hosting parties, and enjoying social gatherings. It offers a great space for family members to gather, bond, and spend quality time together. Number 6. Connection with nature. Being surrounded by plants, flowers, and natural elements can create a calming and refreshing ambience. It allows you to enjoy the changing season, from the blooming flower of spring to the cozy fires of winter. In conclusion, decorating outdoor spaces such as backyard and patios is a worthwhile investment that enhances the functionality, aesthetics, and value of your home. It provides a versatile area for a wide range of activities, improves your quality of life, and creates a beautiful and welcoming environment for you and your guests to enjoy year-round. Hope you have found this video interesting and useful. Must share what you have chosen for your backyard today. Thank you.